Hey, Adam here with another product haul from Temu. I'm excited to open this up, share with you what I've got, so let's get to it.
All right, so as part of this haul, I got a number of things. The first is going to be an LED projector. Also got a tripod that's going to go with that. I got a pair of, you can hear them, lawn spikes that are basically just going to be kind of strap-on shoes with spikes to help grass grow. I've got a divider in my Tesla Model Y dashboard. It's a divider for the compartments, and then just a simple kind of what we'll call it a condiments bottle. I'm going to fill it up with water and use it on my griddle for cleaning purposes. Okay, so getting the projector out of the box. Let's see your power, remote, connectors, and of course the actual mini projector. So just showing you kind of connections, DC, your on-off switch, HDMI, USB, your micro SD. And this will be kind of a zoom in and out to adjust your screen. And other buttons here, power starting with that, your volumes, your ups, downs, all that stuff. Okay, what I do recommend is that you make sure that you read your user manual, get an understanding of how all this works. We'll test it out, let you know how it goes. Next, we'll have our projector stand. With adjustments, pieces. So this will be a expandable. As you can see, it opens up, and this will just pop open. We'll try and show you that it will stand and adjusts, gets wider, all that stuff. Obviously standing right now, show you that. And then it'll adjust for height even more, and then on top we'll be able to put our little adapter. So once you have that on, this goes up and down here. Just tighten this piece. This will go up. Spin a little bit. And of course, this will adjust as well. Again, you can tighten these to lock in position, and or you can stretch them down and up. So a lot of flexibility for height, which is awesome. That's why I got it. You can see just putting a mini projector on makes it real easy, and of course can adjust height as needed still. But just screws right into the bottom and makes it simple. All right, so once you connect the projector to a wall, and then you can literally connect it right in here to an app. You're gonna get a, have to just do my best here to kind of show you that it projects right on the wall. So we're gonna get it connected so it shows some video. And then once you get it connected, it should be. So once you've got it working, it's not a bad screen. As you can see, there's me, one of my YouTube videos here. So it's not a bad recording. It could be a little bit higher definition for sure. But overall, for the cost of the app, there's a lot of value here. Cost of the device, a lot of value in this. So, decide on your own whether or not you want to do this. Next thing we're going to look at is the Tesla organizer. Let me get this all out of the packaging. Now this will tell you all the different ways that you can assemble it. There's 7 different ways to use your organizer. It's my intention to use it just like this, so I'll show you what that looks like. So as you can see, it makes it really nice for organization purposes. Just break things out rather than having this whole thing wide open, so love that. I already mentioned the Condiments battle, so there's not really much to that, so I'm not really going to demonstrate that, but that thing's pretty sweet as well. So the final thing is these spike shoes, and so I'm going to go ahead and put the spikes on and get them strapped up, that way you can see what they look like. So these things don't seem to be doing too great. Honestly, I'm trying to tighten them on, and when I lift, they loosen, and that's obviously no good, because you need to be able to get them out each time. So having them loosen as I lift, just no bueno, as one would say. So not really a huge fan of this. We'll try and find a different way to make these work. Download the Temu app via the link in the description box to get $100 coupon bundles. Use my code AFM92144 at checkout for an extra 30% off.